Another update. Shower enclosures in. So it should look. Let me see here. The mirror is also installed. Let's look at this. Let's look at it this way right here. Door handle is amazing. Almost done. Just need to put all the handles on, knobs and everything for the cabinets. And the same thing we're going to do here. It's almost done. Next place we're going to work in is all we need to put that, just stain that wood right there. Put in all those drawers back in. Paint this room. And put the carpet in and the shelving. Carpet and shelving is what I need in here now. And just little minor stuff, painting, a little paint here and there. Put the cabinets in, almost done. But that's what she looks like now. That's what she looks like with the glass installed. She'll need some cleaning and all that stuff. And that's it.